ladies and gentlemen.
Boys and girls.
Welcome back to the channel. We know it has been quite a while since our last video, but we did some bigger changes. The first is, you can see already on our intro, we think it has a greater recognition value.
Please let us know what do you think about it.
We are right now at a coast in Spain, in Capricorn, and in this video we'll take you to Figueres, to the Salvator Dali Museum.
Which was actually a theater.
Yeah, we hope you will enjoy it. Stay tuned and enjoy the ride.
It is so funny, in front of us is that Fiat Panda, that old one. And the guy hangs his arm out of the window and we wonder because the car is leaning all the way to the left side. So it seems to be a very big guy and probably has to put the arm out of the car because he has not enough space to sit in it. Look at it. Huh? The guy is so big probably, and that's why he puts out his arm. Because the car is leaning all to the left side. We're just having some fun here and being amused. You see how it's leaning to the left? But we love those old Fiat Pandas. Oh my god. Nowadays they're like a little ant in the big dinosaur environment with all these big SUVs, 2.7 tons compared to whatever, 600 kilograms. That Fiat Panda really reminds me on the early 80s. We went skiing in one of these cars. 4 persons with all the ski equipment, ski boots and all the stuff, unbelievable. It's something you cannot imagine nowadays anymore. To go skiing in such a tiny car with 4 persons and everything with us. Yes, a cool guy. It seems like he doesn't even have to shift at all. You know, this arm is always just out of the window on the left side.
Figueres, Salvator Dali Museum. So we are here.
Yeah, in Figueres.
Figueres, yeah.
Yes. And since it is working day, I guess there won't be so overcrowded, the museum. I hope so.
So you would like to see it?
Yeah, definitely. I'm looking forward to it. Yes.
Okay, then come check it out.
Okay, let's go.
This is one of the Salvator Dali museums.
Yes, which was originally a theater, but now it is a museum.
Look at its fancy styling.
Yeah.
Actually, it's almost Christmas and they have some Easter decoration on it.
Yeah. And what is on the wall? It is very special, right? On the wall, it looks like caca or shit, or how do you say that?
Yeah.
However, the building from outside is full of shit, but I am sure that the museum won't be. It will be very exciting, I am sure.
Yeah, he put all kind of dots on it. A little fancy, but that's the way he was. it's pretty scary.
Yeah. Very nice.
Quite interesting, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I want. Ooh, getting dark. Such a nice old door.
Look at the bathtub on the ceiling.
Oh yeah, that's right. A bathtub on the ceiling. Check that out, the bathtub on the ceiling.
I like this sofa, this lipstick.
It looks like a sofa, right?
Yeah.
Some kind of couch. It's just crazy. Now look in here. Wow, we see a face. Blonde chick with glasses. Wow, man, it's quite something here. Check this picture out, it's pretty actual, right?
Yeah, unfortunately.
The Jewish star. And even worse on that picture here, you can see the swan sticker
From the Second World War.
from Second World War from Adolf Hitler. Yeah, it's a foot and tendons, muscles. Yeah, I wonder what kind of treasures she has hidden inside. Because these are drawers.
is the end of the museum, right?
That is an impressive old tree. And
Yeah.
look at the tree. It looks like from this side here,
Yeah.
it looks like it's all dead. It died already.
Mm-hmm.
But still there are leaves on the tree. Look. So it's still alive.
Yeah. It's try to survive.
Very cool. Yeah. There's some more leaves over there.
Yeah, but it can be so comfortable and cozy to sit here after this long museum.
Yeah, some people take some rest here. Luckily there's hardly anybody here right now. The Christmas decoration already. Even so up there it looks like Easter eggs.
This exhibition was so extremely spectacular but exhausting also because you got so many impression and information that wow. And I'm hungry also, so we have to eat something.
Like it. Yeah, just as always hungry.
Yeah.
We just found a Cooperativa where they produce fresh olive oils, and they just put in here some olives and they shake it, and up there it's the press, and they make cold press olive oil here. Isn't that amazing? It's very old buildings, but it still works very perfect here. Look at all the olives.
Bueno,
It's alright.
muy bueno.
And this is the man who delivered it. Yeah, very good. There you can see how the olives fall into the machine over there. Fall into this. Then we wash olives from here and go into the machine. And here are now the olives which go up here into the machine, and from the other side you can see how they are pressed. So here it has 4 different levels for the oil. This is still olive oil and water mixture. So, and then they separate it at the end to only olive oil, which was on the other side. Only oil. Yeah, you can smell. Good. That's a gentleman, that's the boss here, and he just showed us how to make this olive oil. So let's do the salad. So good. Very good. Like whiskey. Malika. Autoconsumo. And here are these natural pressed olive oil. And I think some people get some bottles because you can see here the difference on the color of the oil, which is impressive to me. And they have all kind of paper sheets here with names on it, so I think this is that they got something. Just got this bottle for free. He gave this to us as a present. Isn't that amazing?
Like the green olive oil, yes.
And here stays Bea with a fresh bottle of native olive oil. Yeah, quite a place, isn't it?
Yeah. And there were only several people who work there.
Yeah, very few people only.
Yeah.
Ah, there you guys are. I've been already wondering, because I have nobody to hold the camera, due to the fact that our main editor, Pea, had to fly for a couple days to Budapest. This is also the reason why this video will end now. Nevertheless, we hope you guys did enjoy the update on our trip. We hope you guys stay tuned and we will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.